how do we solve for x here? So we are given x squared times x on 8 equals to 27. Now, first of all, let's look at the numerator. Okay, so x squared times x. Remember, the power here is 1. So when we perform indices, once the bases are the same, we can add the power. So we have the numerator as x cubed on 8 equals to 27. Okay, so I would like to change this one. Since we have cube here and we have 8 here, I want to go by this rule: a raised to n on b raised to n, which will be a over b all raised to n. So I would like to make this side also 2 to the power of 3, so that the powers will be the same like this. So I won't waste time. I have s cubed on 2 cubed, that is 8, equals to 27. So let's take the powers out. That will be x on 2 all cubed. Now let's send this one in, minus 27 equals to 0. Now let's be very careful here. Now a cube minus b cube, this one is called difference of cubes, and it's the same as a minus b. We have a squared plus the product of a and b plus b squared. All right, so with this we can transform this one to this. Remember, 27 is the same as 3 cubed. So we have x on 2 all cubed minus 3 cubed equal to 0. Okay, so we have this. Now let's transform to this. So we have a minus b, that will be x on 2 minus 3. Then we have x on 2 squared. Okay, and that will be the product of 3 and x on 2 plus 3 squared equals to 0. So with the 0 product, x on 2 minus 3 equals to 0, or now let's simplify this. That will be x squared on 4 plus, so this time that will be 3x on 2 plus 9 equal to 0. Here we have this. So this side will be x on 2 equals to 3. Therefore, x is 6. So we have x equals 6 as the first answer. Now let's delve into the next one. X squared on 4. X squared on 4 plus 3x on 2 plus 9 equal to 0. So let's dissolve this. Okay, so times 4 times 4 times 4, that will be times 4 times x squared on 4 plus 4 times 3x on 2, 4 times 9 equal to 4 times 0. This one will cancel here 2. So we have x squared plus 236x 9436 equal to 0. So let's go by the method of computing of squares. So we have x squared plus 6x equals to minus 36. Let's take half of coefficient of x. So that will be 3 squared. Let's add 3 squared to both sides. X squared plus. So we took half of this and we squared the result. And we are adding it to both sides of the equation. 3 squared. 3 squared minus 36. That's that. So we have this and that. X plus 3 all squared. Now when we expand this, we get everything here. 3 squared is 9 minus 36. Okay. Now from here, x plus 3 squared equals, so we have minus 27. Okay. So from here, take square root. So this side will cancel. I have x plus 3 equals, so we can say 9 times 3. And let's bring the minus 1 out. So that's the same as that. X plus 3. Don't forget the plus or minus. So this one will be 3. 3. And from complex numbers, this one will be I. So my final answer x will be minus 3 plus or minus 3 root 3 I. So we have the complex side of the solutions. All right, so that's that. Subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. All right.